Today we are testing Loops Lab. You get these little character figurines, and each one is a piece of music. Drums, bass, melodies. Then you place them on this physical stage. The app detects them, and just like that, you're making music. I'll show you. No music lessons, no reading notes, just place the character and hear the change. I did want to throw in a little demo right here. What you'll do is put the figurine on, and then you can tap it twice to go to a second iteration and 3 times to go to a third, and then you can take it off and start again back at 1 tap to go back to its original sound. And a little icon will show what figurine you're playing on the app at all times. Let me show you. That simple. Okay, your starter set comes with this stage and 5 figurines, the Lax Funkers. So you get 1 genre right out of the box. P.S. If you want to grab one of these at the end of the video, there's a discount code in the description. But here's what I find really interesting about all this. You can mix and match characters across all of the genres, and there are quite a few. And here's the crazy part. It all still sounds good together. That's the way this whole thing's been engineered to work. Any combination, any instrument, any genre. Here, I'll show you. We'll take the bass from Dragosonic, the drums from Space Mariners, and the vocals from the Lax Funkers. Now, let's put them all together. All different genres, all playing together. Not exactly my vibe of music, but it works. Now I want to be real with you on 2 things before you buy. First, the app does have to stay open while you're creating music, either on your phone or a tablet. The stage itself does not play music. That needs to come through a device. So this is not fully screen-free, something worth knowing. Second, as I just showed you, this is a very expandable system. That starter set is around $139, but if your kid goes deep into this thing, and based on what parents are saying, they just might, it can get a little pricey. Each additional band is about $70. But the way I look at this, you're really building a collection. You got to think of them more like Pokemon cards. They're going to put these on their shelves. And again, the more figurines you have, the more music you can make. If you have all of them, I read this somewhere, there's 60 million different opportunities of unique ways to make beats. I will say, the thing that I think really sets Loops Labs apart from other music toys is most just have the same melodies, flashing lights, the same loop on repeat that you end up wanting to throw away or toss in the closet forever. But Loops Lab is designed for the music to actually sound cool, be unique, different. It makes your kid feel like a DJ too. They're actually getting to be creative with it. And because, like I just mentioned, no 2 sessions are the same, they'll hopefully continue to come back for more. Which leads me to one of the coolest parts, and that's that you can record music. I'm gonna show you how to do this right here. So you're first gonna grab one of your favorite genres or bands. I'm gonna go with Curly Lines. Click record, and then just start making music. And just like that, you can see here, our recorded music is saved. You can edit the title, delete it, send it to a friend. You can even play it right from here. Pretty great. So, final verdict. If you have a kid between around the ages of 6 to 12, and loves music, this is a very strong buy. And then I'll go on to say any other age range, and you don't even need to like music, still a strong buy. Something I did want to mention as well, the website actually lets you hear each band's audio before you buy it. So that's a fun little bonus. And like I mentioned, that starter set's great. You get the stage, one full genre, and then if your kid loves it, like I think they're going to, easy to pick up more. Don't forget, discount code below. Hopefully this was helpful. Hopefully gave you a good idea of this product, what it's all about, how it works. Until next time, thanks so much. See you later.